Once upon a time, there was a poor stonecutter named Liam. Every day, he worked under the hot sun, cutting heavy stones from the mountain. He often complained, "I'm tired of being poor. I wish I were powerful." One day, as he was working, a magical spirit appeared and said, "Your wish is granted. What do you want to be?" Liam thought for a moment and said, "I want to be a rich man." The next morning, he woke up in a grand house filled with gold and silk. He was happy until he looked out the window and saw the king passing by with soldiers and servants. "I want to be a king," he shouted. The spirit appeared again. So be it. Now Liam was a mighty king. He sat on a golden throne and commanded everyone. But soon, he noticed the sun shining fiercely above him, making even kings sweat. "The sun is more powerful than me," he said. "I want to be the sun." The spirit granted his wish again. Now he shone brightly in the sky, burning everything below. But one day, a dark cloud blocked his light. "The cloud is stronger. I want to be a cloud." Again, his wish came true. He poured rain over the land and felt mighty until the wind blew him away. "The wind is stronger. Make me the wind." As the wind, he roared across mountains and oceans, proud of his power, until he hit a huge rock that wouldn't move. "The rock is stronger," he said. "Make me the rock." He became the strongest rock on the mountain. But one morning, he felt something sharp cutting into him. It was a stonecutter. Then Liam realized the stonecutter is the strongest of all. He begged the spirit, "Please make me myself again." And from that day, he worked happily, never complaining, for he knew his strength was already within him.